Hey there, crypto miners. Today, let's tackle a critical issue for every miner: downtime. Reducing downtime and keeping your rigs running smoothly is essential for enjoying uninterrupted mining. Imagine being a chef and your oven decides to take a nap right in the middle of dinner service. Chaos ensues. First off, what exactly is downtime? It's the time your mining rigs are not operational, which translates to lost earnings. The longer your rigs are down, the more crypto you're missing out on. And let's face it, nobody likes to miss a payday. Now, one way to reduce downtime is through regular maintenance. Keeping your rigs clean, checking connections and monitoring temperatures can prevent many issues before they arise. Think of it as a spa day for your machines. After all, happy rigs make for happy miners. Next up, invest in reliable hardware. Using quality components means fewer failures. It's like choosing a dependable car. You wouldn't want a clunker breaking down on the highway. Reliable gear ensures your rigs are less likely to face unexpected hiccups. Another key strategy is to implement remote monitoring. With the right tools, you can keep an eye on your rigs from anywhere. This allows you to catch problems before they escalate. It's like having a security camera for your mining operation, always watching and ready to alert you. Don't forget about backup plans. Having spare parts on hand can save you from extended downtime. Imagine having an extra tire in your trunk. You wouldn't want to be stuck waiting for a tow truck. A little preparedness goes a long way in keeping your operation smooth, so if you want to reduce downtime and keep those rigs humming, remember these tips. Join us and reach your next crypto level.